Imagine yourself in this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment group 4SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 20x9 polished aluminum wheels, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, front bucket seats, perf leather appointed front outboard seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar and heavy-duty suspension. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.